Hello friends, welcome to MasterCAM training session. In this lecture, we will discuss about circle mill operation. So, our topics are point geometry, tool selection, holder selection, cut parameter, roughing, finishing, depth of cut and linking parameter. So, first of all we need to object. So, in wireframe, and I will create the object rectangular shape. The dimension is 100 by 60 and radius is 10 with center origin. So 100 by 60 and 10 fillet. Okay, create a circle with 5 radius here, here, here and here. Next is radius 10 and I will click here. Okay, and just move in this direction because I will set this at the center. So I will give the value in y minus 30. Okay, now change the view. See, in solid extrude, select this chain. Okay, and distance is 5, you will see. Now I will click OK. Now for apply machine, for apply operation I will select machine. So click on machine, mill, default and set our stock with solid object, this one, and OK. So you will see stock is ready. Okay, now change the view in isometric. So our operation is circle mill. Here select your circle. You will select the center point of circle and you will see here automatically the radius value or diameter value are set. Now OK. Now you will see the point geometry is 4. Tool selection. So I will create tool, ball and mill. Next, and I will give the value 5. Okay. Next and finish, you will see the tool, holder. So I will select holder. In cut parameter I will set stock to leave on wall is 0, stock to leave on floor is also 0. Now in roughing I will set the rough step over value is 2. Okay. Now finishing. So here in finishing, number of paths of finishing is 2 and the spacing value is 0.5. Depth of cut. So I will set depth of cut, rough value is 1, finish value is 0.5 and finish cut is 2. Okay. Now linking parameter. So top of the stock is here and depth is minus 6. Okay. Now we will check. So I will click directly verify selected operation and play. So you will see the circle is cut by extra value. So I will close this. Change the view in wireframe, parameter, cut parameter, and here override geometry diameter, and diameter is 12. OK, and regenerate. Now shaded, and we will check in verify selected operation and just play. So you will see circular cut is applied. Now I will close it and select operation for this geometry. So again I will click on circle mill. Now select this geometry. You will see this is not selected. So just right click and delete. Again select. See, the diameter is here. That means now this geometry is selected. OK. All dimensions are set like the tool, holder, cut parameter, and here your circle diameter is 20. Roughing value is also set, finishing set. So now I will click on direct linking parameter, and top of the stock is 0, depth is -6. OK, and we will select both operation and check in verify selected operation. So you will see I will just play it. So my object is ready, you will see. So I will close it. This is your circular mill operation. In next lecture we will discuss about helix bore operation. Thank you friends.